Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I'm going to cover how to add a product. The most important part of Shopify is the products. Before adding them, it's best to gather the information that you need, such as the title, the description of the product, any photos or videos, if the product has any variants such as size or color, the price of the product, the weight of the product if you plan on using calculated shipping, this is very important, and SKU or UPC numbers. Once you gather that, you will go to products in your main navigation, and this will show all of the products that are currently on your shop. If you have no products added, then this will be blank. So we're going to go up here and click Add Product. From here, we open up the product editor. It has multiple sections that will need to be added to it before it can be published to your customers. First, we have our title. We have a description. We can add photos here by dragging and dropping them over, clicking Add File, or even adding media from a URL. So if you have an image or a YouTube video that you would like added to this product, you can use the URL for those products. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and throw in an image as a placeholder. And once you add that image, it's going to automatically go to the primary set. As you add more, you can shift where these thumbnails will be. So for this, I could click this and I can add the alt text. This is the hover text that you will see during your products when you go, and it's also used for SEO. Then I'll add pricing, a compare at price. I will add if this is going on sale. I will make sure that I have the compare at price in, and then the price of the product. So it will have a slash of the price. Then for your internal tracking, you can set a cost per product, which is going to calculate the margin and the profit of this product for you. You can check to charge tax on this product. You will add your SKU number and your barcode, your UPC, your ISBN numbers. If you would like for Shopify to track your inventory, you want to click Track Quantity. If this is unchecked, you'll see that the options to add how many of this product disappears. So we will have it, and then if this goes out of stock, we have to figure out if we wanted to continue selling this product once it's out of stock, or if we will stop selling. So with it unchecked, that means we're going to not sell it when it's out of stock. If we check it, it's going to sell even if there is no inventory. In quantity, we'll add how many we have of the product, and then we'll hit the shipping section. This is where you will have, if it's a digital product, you wouldn't have a shipping. But for this, we're going to do a physical product. And we're going to put in the weight. So I'm going to do 0.9 ounces. You can change how this is measured here. Customs information if you plan on shipping these products internationally. And then variants. Once you click that this product has multiple options, you'll be able to select and input the option type. So this is size. If I wanted to add color, it's there. If I needed to add another one, it's there. Then I will add the options and use a column. With that comma, it creates the two different options, and I can enter it as so. Next, this is where you will see how your product will show up in the search engine. So we have the title of our product, we have the URL that we will have for our customers to be able to find this product, and then the description will be shown underneath. Now, if you want to customize the text of your search engine listing, you do that here. You can update the URL handle, the description, and the title right from here. To the right, you'll see product availability. This is where your products will show up. Depending on the sales channels that you have added to your shop, which can be found in your main navigation under sales channel, you can choose where this product can be sold. So for right now, we have all of our sales channels added. If I wanted to take it off of point of sale, I'll hit manage and I'll unclick which sales channel I don't want it to show on, and I see now that it's available on 2 of 3 channels. From there, I can do a product type, and if you have products in already and you have set a type for those, they will pre-populate under here. So I'm going to create a new one. So I have shirt, and then the vendor would be the name of the store. If you sell products that have different vendors, you're able to select the vendor that you would like listed for this particular product. From there, you can search for collections, and your manual collections will show up here. If this product meets the conditions of an automatic collection, then it will show up here after we click save. Then we have tags, which kind of it adds to the product for search for your customers to go ahead and view and find. Once we have everything inputted, we're going to click save. And we'll see a green bar up top that lets us know that our product was created. We can view in the store, which is here. Since we have that compare at price, it is listed for sale. We have the strikeout for the price. And we have our thumbnail photo. So that is how you create a product on Shopify. If you would like to learn more about Shopify using Shopify, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and visit the Shopify tutorial playlist.